What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Shiba Inu today. So the first thing that we're going to go over is the technical analysis with Shiba Inu. But before we go over that, please hit that like button and subscribe. It helps the channel out immensely with the YouTube algorithm. Also leave a comment. Let me know what you guys want me to do next. And also check out the links in the description for free stock with the Robinhood, Webull, and Public.com. Now let's get straight to it. And remember, Shiba Inu is now on Webull. It might be getting on Robinhood and quite possibly Public if they start offering cryptos. But anyways, let's get on with the video. So as you can see, we just now broke our support here with Shiba Inu. The same thing happened inside of Dogecoin. We've been on a little bit of a downtrend, but you can't lie, we had a huge, jump up. Like look at this. We came all the way from nothing, all the way down there from the 566 area or 576 area really, and then we came all the way up here to this area, all the way up here, almost knocked off one of those zeros, almost, but we couldn't quite do it. So we now are going to retest our support lines. So we just now retested that support line, and then the next one would be the critical support going down into the 0.00006 area, or there's supposed to be 5 zeros and a 6. Yeah, too many zeros to say. But anyways, yes, we just now broke this support. Hopefully we don't keep going down, but we know this is our next support that we're going to test. And then after that, we got this support down here, which is our critical support. And then after that is a long way down. So hopefully we don't continue to go down. But remember, everything inside the crypto market is pretty much going to follow Bitcoin. Bitcoin's dominance is still up there. As you can see, Shiba Inu is at rank 45 right now. So $3 billion inside Shiba Inu. Rank 45, down 7.41% in the last 24 hours, 12.27% inside the last 7 days. But Bitcoin is still pretty dominant here at 43.7%. Yesterday was about 44% dominance. So we're losing a little bit of dominance in Bitcoin. So as you can see, though, Bitcoin is going down too. So everything's going down a little bit. So it's not that bad that Shiba Inu is down right now. Everything is down, but Shiba Inu has been taking a pretty hard downtrend. So we're going to go over the next technical analysis. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this is financial advice, but we're going to go over FX Street's technical analysis. They do some pretty good technical analysis. And anyways, Shiba Inu price lacks some momentum, but eyes 35% ascent. So they're actually correct. It does lack the momentum. Look, we're going on a downtrend, but if we end up not breaking this next support line and then retesting our resistance, we could actually end up on that 25% uptrend that they're talking about and end up around here in this channel here, around 0.000000860, somewhere around there. So we definitely could get right back up there very easily. But anyways, let's keep going with this. So Shiba Inu price showed an inability of the buyers as it briefly slipped below the 0.000000811 area. A resurgence of bullish momentum could push SHIB to slice through resistance barriers and tag the 1120 area, and that is at the 10,000 place, I believe. So if the 0.0000, and this is the 100,000 place, 727 support level is breached, it will invalidate the bullish thesis. So if we go below 727, we will not knock off one of these zeros soon. And that's pretty much what they're saying. And right now we're at 767. So right now, if we get below this next support line that I have drawn down here, that means that we're probably going to end up going down a lot lower. So if we go below this area here, it's going to be a bad day for Shiba Inu, and we won't be able to knock off one of those zeros and then rise all the way up here to these levels. So hopefully we can actually break one of these zeros and actually rise up above the odds. But anyways, Shiba Inu does have some potential, but we have a lot of resistance to break right now, and hopefully we don't fall down to the support, because if we do, then that's gonna lead us down a dark path in Shiba Inu that no one wants to go down. So anyways, hope we don't suffer on this. But anyways, Shiba Inu price awaits a trigger. Shiba Inu price came close to testing the 0.0000759 and is currently hovering above the 800,000 at 811 area. So while this recovery is impressive, SHIB is still below the 50% Fibonacci retracement level at the 871 of the 100,000 place. So that is what they're talking about right up here, 871. And that's where we're below right now. And honestly, it really does suck that we're going down and stuff, because SHIB was once ranked 27 and now we're ranked 45. And SHIB has been losing a lot of dominance. It's been losing a lot of faith amongst the SHIB army. And we're going to go over that. And we're going to go over why these technicals are like this, because it didn't just happen like this overnight. SHIB went through, it went through a phase where it was trusted and then no longer trusted. And that's kind of where we're at right now. Like, a lot of the SHIB army isn't trusting the actual SHIB development team. because of some of their actions that they've taken. Now, the most important thing to look at here is that down here. If the buyers band together, pushing the meme coin above the said level, it will confirm the start of a second leg up. In such a case, Shiba Inu price is likely to make another run at the high probability reversal zone ranging from the 955 area to the 1070 area. So if we don't break that, though, this is what's going to happen. So on the other hand, if the buying pressure fails to push Shiba Inu price to shatter the 50% Fibonacci retracement level at the 871 area, which is up here, like I said, then that means over here it will indicate weakness and trigger a downstream to the immediate support barrier at 759, which is currently where we're right above. We actually hit that 759 area, and then we went right above it. So yeah, we did do that. Now, if we continue to go below that, because we hit the support, but we didn't go below the support, we went right back up. Now, if we do go below support, we're going to be, in a bad position here with Shiba Inu. A breakdown of the subsequent demand level at the 727 will set up a lower low, invalidating the bullish thesis. So if we get all the way down to that 727 area, which is right there where I marked it. So hopefully that doesn't happen. Big stuff going on in Shiba Inu right now. And if it passes 727, we go down to 654, which is all the way down there. And 654, that's very low. Just to say that it's very low. So hopefully we don't go all the way down with Shiba Inu. But I do want to go over a few things with Shiba Inu. 643,000 people now holding it. That's 643,026. And as you can see, only 0.089% up inside of the last 24 hours, and that's in holders. Usually when I look at this number, it's 0.17% within the last 24 hours of new holders, but now there's only 0.089%, which is showing less and less people are investing into Shiba Inu, or there's just more SHIB holders. So then even if there's a small amount of people buying in to Shiba Inu, is going to be a lot less of a percentage because there's a lot of holders. That's 0.089% of the whole number. That's how you got to think about it. So yesterday it's saying we had 643,000 or 642,000 people holding SHIB. Now we have 643,000. So 1,000 people invested in SHIB overnight. So Shiba Inu has been being added to a lot of exchanges. eToro, Webull, we got so many different shopping.io. Now you can buy stuff from Amazon with shopping.io using Shiba Inu. There's a lot of different use cases for Shiba Inu right now, but there's small minor use cases. So that's something we got to think about. Let's hit this refresh button, see where it goes. Wow, from 642 to wow. Okay, see, we just now lost some people holding Shiba Inu right there. And that's exactly what I'm talking about with people losing faith in it. We had 643,026 or something like that. And now we have 642,988 after we refreshed it. So we're seeing people are uninvesting inside of Shiba Inu. There's some people selling out. And like with this article, I'm not going to read the whole thing, but just to sum it up, the bottom line, this is what they say. Shiba Inu is among the top 50 cryptocurrencies globally, suggesting that there is still healthy investor interest, but it's, ranked 45 now. It's been losing a lot of rank. However, the hype surrounding such cryptocurrencies is incredibly fading fast, of the meme coins that they're saying. And they say it continues to lose value. They say it's a no-brainer. Avoid these type of cryptos at all time. They're saying the meme-based cryptos. Now, they have positives for Shiba Inu, how it's been being added to a bunch of different stuff. It's on Binance, eToro, Coinbase, Pro, Webull. So it's been getting added all over the place. Shopping.io. It's been added all over the place. But, the red flags of SHIB, they're saying not much use cases. And a lot of people have been losing faith in it because of the big stuff that's going on right now in the SHIB army. And that is with this whole thing right here. But they have noticed that they're going to be getting your returns back soon. So Shiba Swap's returns distribution process has finished. We apologize for this delay and want to thank the SHIB army for their patience during this last week. So now it's been resumed. They made this whole post about it. They say you can claim your rewards now. They apologized. So yeah. People haven't been happy about it. They said, this person right here said, I just had my wallet hacked and my XSHIB token stolen. I'm wondering how I can secure my DIG balances, blah, blah, blah. Burning 25K in SHIB is basically pointless. It's like scooping a cup of water out of the ocean. So yeah, there's some people that are not satisfied with the SHIB army. Over here, this person said, how can I use the Shiba Swap site to see my amount of XSHIB that I've earned since staking my coins? A lot of people have been having problems here with Shiba Inu. But, this one person here, I think they said completely unhappy somewhere over there, completely unhappy and surprised and hopeless about reward and the speed of the motivation. So, yeah, a lot of the SHIB army is upset with it, and it's rightfully so. It's your money. It's a business that they're running, so they got to run it correctly. But anyways, more news here with the Shiba Army. There's a misconception about an emergency withdrawal executed recently in Shiba Swap. This is a public function, and seeing it executed does not mean that much. So you can even run it yourself, and it has nothing to do with developers withdrawing. You can find the contracts here. So yeah, people have been springing up controversy about Shiba Swap, and they've been pointing fingers and like, look at them doing fraudulent stuff. That's pretty much what's going on here. And yeah, anyways, this isn't the only thing that's happening. A lot of people are really sad about it, and a lot of people are mad about it. But what can we do? Anyways, more news with Shiba Inu. Are you into Sheep and NFTs? Great news. You can now sell your art in OpenSea using Sheep. So Sheep's utility and acceptance keeps growing. So now you can use it in OpenSea to, buy and sell your NFTs. So big news there. But we still have more people talking about F.U.D in the comment section. This person said, I sold my sheep. I'm not confident in the product. It might have been a mistake, or I might have been right. I hope it does well for those who have invested. So that's what one person said. And then, a lot of people have been talking smack about sheep, why they don't accept the bone. So anyways, they should accept the bone. But yeah, lots of stuff going on with Shiba Army. Some people are hating, some people are not. Me personally, I think it still has some use case. I still think Shiba Inu can rise. I think the Shiba Army can still stay strong. It's just a matter of time. Dogecoin has been out for much longer than Shiba Inu. So Shiba Inu not doing as well, it's kind of expected. It hasn't been out for as long, but you got to give it some time, because remember, when Dogecoin got up to where it was, it took a long time to get there. So we just got to wait. But anyways, as per schedule, the BPB bone per block has lowered from 80 to 90. So this speed will keep decreasing each month until it finally stops when 250 million tokens have been minted. So that's what's going on here with the mining and stuff with Shiba Inu. But anyways, let's move on to the next thing. I want to talk about baby Shiba Inu over Shiba Inu today, because baby Shiba Inu has been doing terrible. I'm not going to lie, it's been doing very terrible. Everything about baby Shiba Inu has been doing very terrible, and they've actually not reported anything on baby Shiba Inu since the 15th, and that was just the meme that they posted on the 15th. So they haven't posted anything really since this Moonshots app, and ever since they've made the app, they've said nothing about it. They really haven't came out and said much about baby Shiba Inu either. So I don't know what to think about baby Shiba Inu, to be honest. I think right now it's best to not put much money in it. It's best to put a small amount in it if you're going to do that, like $10, $100, but nothing big, because baby Shiba Inu has just been on a straight downtrend. Like now there's only $1.6 million in baby Shiba Inu, and it's been having these sharp drops, which are whales selling out. And even the whales that we have don't have that much money in baby Shiba Inu, so them selling out really doesn't do much with baby Shiba Inu. So it just makes it look like a huge drop, when in reality they only sold like $3,000, because there's not that much money in it. So baby Shiba Inu could easily become a big crypto if one huge whale comes in, like a Dogecoin whale, who come in with $100 million. Like boom, if that happened to baby Shiba Inu, it would 10x immediately, which actually gives it some potential, because let's just say Elon Musk tweeted something about baby Shiba Inu. If it goes up to $100 million, right now it's at $1 million. That's a 10x. So you could literally, not even a 10x actually. I don't even know why I said 10x. That's 100x if you think about it. From $1 million to $100 million, you got to think. Every time a million happens, that's another double. That's 100x right there if it goes up to 100 million. So I definitely think baby Shiba Inu could do that. Like it could go up from 100x from where it is now. It just depends on, what really happens with it. If, Elon Musk makes a tweet or something, anything can happen. So baby Shiba Inu could or could not rise. Now, any crypto could rise. Any crypto could rise. All it takes is a community to get behind it. So if baby Shiba Inu builds a strong community, then it could happen. They have been building a community, but not posting in the last 2 weeks. Like that's not good for the community. That's not how a community operates. You gotta be constant with it. You gotta do it every day. But they haven't done anything in the last 2 weeks, which is why baby Shiba Inu is going down. But there's definitely a lot of potential. Now, see, I'm talking about 100x. You put $100 in there, and 100x's, that's 10K off $100. That's why I'm saying $100 won't hurt if you have a thousand plus inside of your whole portfolio. Let's say $100 is only like 1% of your portfolio. You could put it in there and possibly 100x it. Possibly. Maybe not, but possibly. But remember, none of this financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Not telling you to buy it or anything like that. But yeah, 39,000 people holding baby Shiba Inu now. Big stuff right there, but it could be bigger. But anyways, this is all I got for you guys today. Remember, again, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But if you like this video, though, please hit the like button and subscribe. And check out the link in the description for free stock with Robinhood and Webull. And I'll be back with another video. Peace.